Did you know? Ancient sailors used ginger to fight seasickness. In traditional medicine, ginger is used to boost circulation and fight infections, and despite its spicy taste, ginger can actually help soothe a sore throat. Welcome to our channel, both new and returning viewers. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of ginger, a powerful root that's been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. From boosting your immunity to adding a zesty kick to your meals, ginger is a true superfood. But before we get started, a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogaols, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Shogaols are more concentrated in dried ginger, whereas gingerols are more abundant in raw ginger. But that's just the beginning. Here are some amazing benefits of eating ginger. First, ginger can help with digestion. Ginger is known to stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food. As a superfood for digestive issues, ginger can help treat chronic indigestion as it speeds up the emptying of the stomach. In addition to its digestive properties, ginger is known to reduce nausea, and it's particularly effective against morning sickness and motion sickness. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce swelling. This is especially helpful in reducing muscle pain and soreness. It may even help treat symptoms of both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. And by fighting inflammation, ginger may reduce menstrual pain. In some cases, it may even be as effective as a pain medication. Again, ginger has unique properties that may help lower blood sugar levels. Studies have shown it can improve various heart disease risk factors. Thus, ginger is loaded with antioxidants, which help prevent damage to your DNA and protect against chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and lung disease. Another benefit of ginger is its ability to lower cholesterol levels. Making ginger a part of your diet may lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol and blood triglyceride levels. Additionally, ginger contains a substance that may help prevent cancer. The compound 6-gingerol is being studied for its anti-cancer properties. The benefits of making ginger a part of your diet cannot be stressed enough. Ginger may help improve brain function, protecting you against age-related damage to the brain. Ginger can also help fight infections by inhibiting the growth of many different types of bacteria. In traditional medicine, ginger is used to boost circulation and fight infections. And ancient sailors used ginger to fight seasickness. So, whether you consume it fresh, powdered, or as a supplement, ginger is a powerful addition to your diet. So embrace the power of ginger and enjoy its numerous health benefits. Just before we continue, please do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on subsequent informative content. All right, let's continue. So, now that you know some benefits of ginger, how can you include this superfood in your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Here are some simple, practical uses. You can make a soothing ginger tea by simmering fresh ginger slices in hot water, good for those cold mornings. You could also add grated or diced ginger to your stir-fries for an extra kick. Or better still, you can roast vegetables with ginger for a spicy twist. If you are a smoothie lover, you could use ginger powder in smoothies for a spicy twist. You can also infuse your water with ginger and lemon for a refreshing detox drink every morning. You may also use ginger in marinades to tenderize and flavor your meats. Yes, add ginger to meats such as chicken, beef, pork, lamb, as well as seafood dishes for a warming flavor and spicy twist. Add ginger to tofu dishes for a flavorful vegetarian option. And to our baking buddies, you may add ginger to baked goods like cookies, cakes, muffins, and breads for a warm, spicy flavor. You can also create ginger-infused oil for cooking or as a base for dressings. Or whisk ginger into salad dressings for a zesty kick. You could also add ginger to soups for a warming, aromatic flavor. Good for those cold days. You could also infuse honey with ginger for a sweet and spicy spread. And as a breakfast option, you may add ginger to granola, oatmeal, or pancakes batter for a spicy morning treat. You can make ginger lemonade for a refreshing summer drink, or try ginger-flavored popcorn for a unique movie night treat. The recipes are just endless, but these 3 are a must-try. Zesty ginger lemon tea. A warm and soothing detox drink perfect for cold days or every other morning. Spicy ginger chicken stir-fry. A quick flavor-packed dinner. Ginger honey cookies. A sweet treat with a hint of spice. So there you have it. The amazing benefits of ginger, practical uses, delicious recipes, and fun facts all in one video. Always remember, diet is everything, and you are what you eat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.